This here is a 1984 Jeep CJ7 inline 6 Renegade, fully restored, my color choice, Sundance metallic. Got a best stop super top. I'm right now in 0.5 zoom, so let me change it to 1 so you guys get real proportions. Steel tub, white powder coated rims. It was a frame off restoration, every nut and bolt. Hold on. There we go. Got an Optima battery. Works great on this car. Power brakes. No power steer, unfortunately. Let me show you guys the inside. We do have the door panels. They're just right now getting hydro dipped. Seats, seat covers, bed rug interior. CB, radio, Tuffy box, all done up. Unfortunately, this happened. What can you do? Oh, should we? Yeah, let's turn it on for you. It's a little cold. Just to prove to you guys it does work. And there you go. Charging. This is we need a new one. The actual pressure sending unit. Dome lights work. It's just bright as heck outside. We got outlet, we got USB. They work. There you go. And we even got cool red light.